So how to find solution of this equation? 2x minus y is equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Just शिकवलं होतं 8th 9th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये how to find. Yes, anyone? Okay, no one know how to find. Okay, no one. So, uh, minus the 4x y 3 y is equal by 7. Like that, we are find out the values of x1. But here, there is another method. Is an to find the values of xy in a system of linear equations. So I already told you about the how what is meant by linear. Linear, that means the variable which is used, how many are used in a system of linear equation. There are the variable x, y, z, but their degree always 1. So it's called as a linear equation. Okay, each and every variable which is used in the system of linear equation is degree is 1. Okay, so here in general system of linear equation is, suppose first equation is a11x plus a12y is equal to b1. Second equation is a21x plus a22y is equal to b2. Okay, so this one is an two systems of linear equations, and how it write in matrix format. So in matrix, A is equal to coefficient matrix. So coefficient matrix is a11, a12, a21, a22. Okay, and x is finding the variable. So x and y are the variables, and b is equal to b1, b2. And we are write down this in terms of matrix is ax is equal to b. Okay, ax into b. A is a coefficient matrix, x is a variable matrix, b is a hand side of the equations. Okay, so depending on this b, there are two types of system of linear equations we defined. First one is an homogeneous and second one is a non-homogeneous. If ax is equal to 0, okay, ax is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, that means B is an zero matrix. Everyone knows what is meant by zero matrix. Zero matrix, all the elements of the matrix is an 0, correct? So zero matrix is there. So then system is called as a homogeneous linear system. Okay, if ax is equal to 0, that means zero matrices exist in RHS site. Okay, so we call homogeneous. But what about this equation solution? So here two equations are given: 2x plus 3y and 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 and x minus 4y is equal to 0. First I want to ask, everyone is able to view my screen? Yes or no? Write down in the chat box. Everyone is able to view my screen. PDF दिसत होती का सगळ्यांना? Okay, thank you. Okay, so equation is given 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 and x minus 4y is equal to 0. Here in guess, just tell me, guess करून फक्त मला सांगा x आणि y च्या व्हॅल्यूज काय असतील. काय म्हणतो तुमचं माइंड? So what is the value of x and y? This is a homogeneous system. RHS side is a 0, B is an all 0 matrix, and 2x plus 3y is equal to 0 and x minus 4y is equal to 0. A matrix is a coefficient matrix 2, 3, 1 minus 4, and x variable matrix is xy. Then just तुम्ही गेस करून सांगू शकता ह्याचा आन्सर x आणि y च्या व्हॅल्यूज काय असतील. Yes, anyone know? Then write down in a chat box. What will be the value? Okay. If we observe this matter, two system of linear equations, here if I put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, I definitely get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, I will definitely get 0 is equal to 0 for both the equation. So always remember that in a homogeneous system of linear equation, there is an only one solution is exist, which is an x comma y is equal to 0. X comma y is equal to 0 and is called as a trivial solution. Each and every homogeneous system of linear equation, solution is exist, okay, and which is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, this one is an homogeneous. Next one, for non-homogeneous, 3x minus 4y is equal to 7 and 2x plus 9y is equal to 0. So in this equation, B is equal to 7, 0, correct? So column matrix 7, 0. So this one is a non-homogeneous system of linear equation. So a system of three linear equation in three unknowns x, y, z is a a11x, a1 plus a12y plus a13z is equal to b1, a21x plus a22y plus a23z is equal to b2, a31x plus a32y plus a33z is equal to b3. Okay, so आता इथं तुम्ही हे तीन इक्वेशन जर ऑब्झर्व केले तर ह्या तीन इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन आपण जे 7th 8th 9th ला ज्या मेथड शिकलो त्या मेथड्स मध्ये आपण हे ह्या इक्वेशन्स हे जे तीन आहेत ह्या तीन इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन आपण फाइंड करू शकत नव्हतो. बट हिअर आता जी आपण मेथड यूज करणार आहे तिथे आपण ह्या सिस्टीमचं इक्वेशन व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ एक्स वाय झेड इझिली काढू शकतो. ओके, हा डिफरन्स आहे दोन मेथड मधला. ओके, सो हिअर कोएफिशिएंट मॅट्रिक्स इज दॅट मीन्स ए मॅट्रिक्स a11 a12 a13, next one row a21 a22 a23, third row a31 a32 a33. Okay, and x y z. X y z is equal to b1 b2 b3. So a is equal to a11 a12 a13 and this x y z. So ax is equal to b. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये पण होमोजिनियस आणि नॉन होमोजिनियस असू शकतात. 3 by 3 ह्याच्यामध्ये जर 3 रोज three system of linear equations असतील तर. Okay, so homogeneous if B is equal to if B is equal to, I will just example 2x minus and x plus y is equal to 12. Tell me the values of x and y. Write down in your book. 2x minus y is equal to 1 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Find the values and tell me the answer.